I'm gonna taste this Korean food, snack, and drinks from H Mart supermarket. I'm gonna taste this Osan morning rice drink from South Korea. Osan is a major South Korea beverage company. Koreans believe this drink is good for summer health. Open it. Smell rice. It's a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. It tastes better after chilling. I'm gonna taste this new product from Orion Food Company. Orion Food Company is a major food company in South Korea, and this product is called Lotte protein chips. This one is butter grilled squid flavor. There are 12 grams of protein. Let's open it. Taste this. Good squid smell. It's crispy. It tastes good. Not too salty. Very good. This. I'm gonna taste these two snacks from South Korea, made by Ohsung. Ohsung is a major food company in South Korea. And this one is garlic shrimp chips. And this one is roasted corn chips. Let's open this. Roasted corn chips. Open this. Garlic shrimp chips. Taste this. Garlic shrimp chips. Good garlic shrimp smell. It's crispy. Good garlic shrimp taste. Not too salty, very good. Try this one. Roasted corn chips. Good corn smell. It's crispy. It's a good corn taste. Drink this. It's different texture, but for those two, I like this one. Garlic shrimp chip better. I'm gonna taste this Korean style cooked smoked sausage made by Dyson American Inc. in the United States. Open it. There are 16 sausages in one bag. I'm gonna cook it in air fryer. Let's taste this Korean style smoked sausage. It's good. It's savory, a little bit sweet. It's non-spicy, and the meat is tender and juicy. Very good. I'm gonna taste this new item from H Mart supermarket. This is the mini vanilla ice cream bar with dark chocolate made by Lotte. Lotte is a major food company in South Korea. Let's open it. Okay, so they are 15 individual wraps. Let's taste it. One. Open it. Good chocolate smell. It's crunchy outside with chocolate and inside a good vanilla taste. Not too sweet. Very good.